This is Mr. J. We're talking about ramen today. Ramen, it's our advanced video for Wednesday, March the 19th, 2025, centered on South Korea. Our AI pic, sort of funny looking today. Today's news is, I think, good, especially for Korea. Let's see, it looks like a ramen monster or something, right? Some monster taking over the world, maybe. Let's go to our word list. Okay. Sales, 65%, 1.3 trillion won. Overseas markets, 2024. Buldak Noodles, US, China, revenue, Korea. Lots of country names, so not too difficult. Doubled. Walmart grew 2.1 billion yuan. Factory, Miryang, June. All right. So Samyang Foods, right, Korean company, saw a sales increase of 65%, reaching 1.3 trillion won in overseas markets in 2024. That's like the most ever for overseas markets. The company's Buldak Noodles became extremely popular, especially in the US and China. Nearly 80% of its total revenue came from outside of Korea. In the US, sales doubled to 280 million, with Walmart now selling its products. In China, sales grew by 75% to 2.1 billion yuan through new products and promotions. Samyang is building a factory in Miryang. It's a city here in South Korea, set to open in June to produce 690 million packs per year. That's lots and lots of ramen, right? So what's your favorite ramen? Do you like ramen? I might ask you things like this if you're having class with me, or you should think about it by yourself. You can put in the comments if you want. What was Samyang Foods' total overseas sales in 2024? Where did Samyang Foods see the highest growth? Which U.S. store started selling Buldak Noodles in 2024? How many packs will the new factory produce yearly? And when will the new factory in Miryang be completed? All right. Word of the day, period, like time period, right? And then our second meaning of period. Do you know what both of them are by looking at the pics? All right, time meaning, a period, a length or section of time, such as a school period or historical period, all right? And the non-time meaning of period, here we go. Period, a punctuation mark used at the end of a sentence, right? There's a period here, blah, 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 period, like that, period. Pronunciation. Well, the spelling, P-E-R-I-O-D, it might be pronounced a bit differently. There's 3 syllables with the emphasis here on the first syllable. Let's try this with the middle one first. Odd. Eod, 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 and then peer. Peer. Period, like this, okay? Emphasis on the first syllable. Oh no, someone's calling me and I have no idea who it is, so I'm going to say goodbye, which reminds me I should always put my my do not disturb on in my video, right? Sorry about that distraction. Do not disturb. Good to do when you're doing screen recordings like this. It said 02, which usually is Seoul, but there's lots of spam calls these days in Korea, so I'm just going to ignore that. So once again, period, okay? Emphasis on the first stress on the first syllable, or emphasis on the first syllable. So it's not period, it's not period, it's period, okay? All right. See example sentences. The Renaissance was an important period in European history. And here we go. Don't forget to put a period at the end of your sentence. Okay. Weather for Thursday, March the 20th. That's tomorrow. In Seoul, high of 14, a low of 2, and it will be partly sunny. Okay. And in Beijing, China, high of 25. Wow. A low of 10, and it will be windy and very warm with plenty of sunshine. And then lastly, Tokyo, Japan, high of 13, a low of 4, and it will be partly sunny. Okay, and as always, I have some interesting facts here if you want to read about them. Okay, all right, guys. We talked about the weather, we talked about period, and we talked about Samyang ramen, especially Buldak, doing extremely well in China and the US. Guys, I hope you have a great day. It's the middle of the week, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.